students, in a series of measurement. Today's topic is measurement of capacity. Capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid which a container can hold. For example, have you seen the milkman? Milkman gives milk according to your demand, like 1 liter, 500 milliliter, and usually he has these kind of measurement instruments. Standard unit of capacity is liter. For example, this water bottle. The water bottle's capacity is approximately 1 liter. An Olympic size pool has the capacity of approximately 2500 kiloliter. A bathtub has the capacity of approximately 2 hectoliters. Water bottle has the capacity of approximately 1 liter, I already told you. Therefore, we can say, just like measurement of length and measurement of mass, there are multiples and sub-multiples in measurement of capacity also. Multiples are units of measurement which are bigger than liter. For example, multiples are kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, and you know that liter is a standard unit of capacity. Sub-multiples are units of measurement which are smaller than liter. For example, some multiples like deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. You need to learn the same sentence. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. K stands for kiloliter, H stands for hectoliter, D stands for decaliter. Mother. Mother means mother unit, or we can say the basic unit of capacity, which is liter. D stands for deciliter, C stands for centiliter, M stands for milliliter. If you need to convert higher units to lower, you need to multiply by 10. For example, kilo to hectoliter, you need to multiply by 10. Hectoliter to decaliter, multiply by 10. Decaliter to liter, multiply by 10. Liter to deciliter, multiply by 10. Deciliter to centiliter, multiply by 10. And centiliter to milliliter, multiply by 10. And if you need to convert milliliter to centiliter, what you need to do? You need to divide by 10. Centiliter to deciliter, divide by 10. Deciliter to liter, you need to divide by 10. Liter to decaliter, you need to divide by 10. Decaliter to hectoliter, you need to divide by 10. And hectoliter to kiloliter, you need to divide by 10. Now we will learn how to convert very common units of capacity into each other. Common units like kiloliter, liter and milliliter. So at first we will see to change higher unit to lower unit. So what we will do, at first liter to milliliter, we will do liter to milliliter. It means we need to multiply by 1000. It means 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. For example, 23 liter, if we need to convert it into milliliter, what we will do? We will multiply by 1000 milliliter. So it is 23,000 milliliter. Then 5.23 liter into milliliter. Again, you need to multiply by 1000 milliliter and it is equals to 5230 milliliter. Now, if you need to convert kiloliter into liter, so 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. You need to multiply by 1000 whenever you need to convert kiloliter to liter. And if you need to convert kiloliter to milliliter, you need to multiply by 10 lakh. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter and 1 kiloliter equal to 10 lakh milliliter. Now let us do one question. 13 kiloliter converted into liter. What you will do? You will multiply by 1000 liter. So it is 13 multiply 1000 liter equals to 13,000 liter. And if you need to convert 1.234 kiloliter into milliliter, you need to multiply by 10 lakh milliliter. And it is a way to multiply. And because there are 3 decimal places, so we will put decimal after 3 zeros here and you will get this. It is 12 lakh 34,000 milliliter. Now let us learn to convert lower unit to higher unit? It is very easy. Lower to higher. It means we need to divide. So for example, milliliter to liter. If you need to convert milliliter to liter, you need to divide by 1000, and milliliter to kiloliter, you need to divide by 10 lakh. So formula is 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter, or we can say 1 by 10 lakh kiloliter. Just do one question. It is 43 milliliter equals to 43 by 1000 liter, which is equal to 0.043 liter. And let us do one more. 115 milliliter into kiloliter. What you will do? 115 divided by 10 lakh, and it is 0.000115 kiloliter. And in similar way, we can convert liter into kiloliter also. When you convert liter into kiloliter, you will divide by 1000. So it is 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. So let us convert it into decimal also. 1 liter equal to 0.001 kiloliter. And do one question. 6.5 liter equals to 6.5 by 1000 kiloliter, and we can write it in a form of decimal also. It is 0.065 kiloliter. Now express in kiloliter and liter. Here is your question. 73.211 kiloliter. At first we will write this into two parts. 73 kiloliter plus 0.211 kiloliter. This whole number part we will write as it is, and we will just convert this decimal part into liter. So what we will do, at first we will convert this decimal into fraction, and it is 211 by 1000 kiloliter. Now kiloliter to liter, we need to multiply by 1000, and when we multiply this by 1000, 1000 to 1000 will be cancelled. So what we will get? Only 211 liter. So it is 73 kiloliter plus 211 liter, and we can write like this: 73 kiloliter 211 liter. Let us do one more question. 3.5 kiloliter. Now we need to convert this into kiloliter and liter. So what we can write, this whole number part and decimal part we will do separate. So how? 3 kiloliter plus 0.5 kiloliter we can write. Now 3 kiloliter will be as it is, and we will convert this part into liter only. So how? At first we will write in a form of fraction. It is 5 by 10 kiloliter. Now 5 by 10 multiply by 1000, because 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So we will multiply it by 1000, and 0 to 0 will be cancelled, and it is 500 liter. So what we will get? 3 kiloliter 500 liter, right? Last question is using decimal notation express in kiloliter. It is your question. 911 kiloliter 25 liter. At first we will write it separately. 911 kiloliter plus 25 liter. Now we need to convert it into kiloliter. This part is already in kiloliter, so we will write it as it is. We need to convert this liter part into kiloliter. Liter to kiloliter. Lower to higher. It means we need to divide by 1000. So here 911 kiloliter plus 25 by 1000 kiloliter. Now it is in kiloliter, and we will write this fraction part into decimal number, and it is 0.025 kiloliter. Now we will write it all together. It is 911.025 kiloliter. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.